Hey everybody, it's Bill the RV Guy here. Today I'm going to do a quick walk around on our brand new 321BH Delta from Alliance RV. My video here is going to give you a quick walk around of the outside and the inside to show you the floor plan and some of the major features. But if you want more information, click the link below in the comments to the factory tour and you'll see everything in detail. I'm Bill the RV Guy and thanks for watching. Thanks for taking this quick tour with me of the 321BH Delta from Alliance RV. I'm Bill the RV Guy at Leo's Vacation Center. My contact info is after the video. Give me a call if you have any questions, and if you're really interested, click the link below to get a more detailed walk around from the factory tour. Thanks again. See you next time.